I know everybody says it, but that business solutions approach that I think that we kind of blazed the trail on, that other people have picked up on, but recognizing that 15 years ago. So that's really one of the constants.
Us helping recover that for them can make the difference between a lot of times them being in business or out of business.
The going after them with guns blazing, it was a softer approach. We're here to help you, we can work it out. I think that's what that's what makes it unique and different.
You know, I just get a name on a piece of paper and then it says, be find this. And in finding it, you find out the corporates, your principals, where they're located, through the tools that we use, and that's how we can adapt and overcome and find the companies that are hidden.
And they have world experience that I could never give them. Our management team couldn't give them. They bring it with them.